Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of the screen, as this will bring down your toggles, and next locate the hotspot toggle. Now we can swipe down here to extend the list of the toggles visible. And we have mobile hotspot right over here. And once you see it, first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings. And in here, you'll find a randomly generated password, which is visible right over here. This one has already been changed, as typically it would be just kind of like a bunch of letters and numbers. This is just letters and too many repeats, so I already know that someone changed it. But in any case, we can get rid of this one and set up our own password, which will need to have 8 characters in length. And from there, make sure you click save to save that change. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing in here. You can obviously go through other options, but the way it's set by default basically makes it so the hotspot itself is in what could be considered as a compatibility mode. So there we go. Now, to turn it on, just find a toggle and simply tap on it, and you're good to go. Once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off, as it does consume more of your phone's battery. So once you're done using it, it's beneficial for you to turn it off. And the phone will also turn it off for you after, I think it's 10 minutes of inactivity by default. So if you forget about it, you don't need to worry. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.